Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into the NutriBullet Pro 900W blender, and why it's being called the best green blender for all your blending needs. Whether you're looking to make smoothies, shakes, or even nut butters, this powerhouse packs a punch with its high-torque motor and sleek design. The NutriBullet Pro is perfect for anyone looking to boost their health and take control of their nutrition. With 900 watts of power, it's not only faster and stronger than the original model but just as simple to use. This blender can handle everything from tough nuts and seeds to fibrous greens, turning them into smooth, drinkable nutrition in seconds. The powerful cyclonic action of the stainless steel blades ensures you get the most out of your ingredients, providing a perfect consistency every time. Included in the box is everything you need to get started: a 900W motor base, 2 colossal cups, 2 sippy lids, and various accessories, including lip rings with handles for easy drinking on the go. Plus, the NutriBullet Pro comes with a recipe book, so you'll never run out of delicious, healthy ideas for your smoothies or snacks. Cleaning is a breeze with this blender. Simply twist off the blade, rinse it with soap and water, and place the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. It's that easy. And with BPA-free plastic cups, durability is a given, making sure your NutriBullet lasts for years to come. If you're someone who's always on the go, the NutriBullet Pro is made for you. The compact design allows you to store it without taking up too much space, and with its quick blending capabilities, you'll have nutritious smoothies ready in no time. Whether it's for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a quick meal, this blender is here to make your life healthier and more convenient. For anyone looking to take their health seriously, the NutriBullet Pro offers a fast and effective solution that won't disappoint. With its 900-watt motor, high-performance design, and ease of use, it's no wonder it's considered the best green blender. So, if you're ready to blend your way to a healthier lifestyle, the NutriBullet Pro is your perfect companion. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and kitchen must-haves.